This 2015 Thor Motor Coach Siesta Sprinter 24SR is a Class C RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 24 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, DVD player, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, external shower, TV, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, awning, skylight, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2015 Thor Motor Coach Siesta Sprinter 24SR is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.